In this case study, we detail the process of guiding a client through an LMS Requirements Analysis Project to identify a suitable vendor and system tailored to their needs. Our client was a training provider who offers training to a wide number of client organizations with differing needs. They had grown organically and realized they were outgrowing their existing LMS. After a couple of demos with LMS vendors, their team felt overwhelmed with the amount of information available, knowing there are many different LMS options. Their staff did not have the capacity to navigate this competitive market while maintaining their daily business needs. When they turned to us, they had no clear requirements analysis in place and did not know how to get the process started. Our objectives for this project were to gain a deeper understanding of the organization's needs by engaging their stakeholders and also conducting a client's needs analysis to identify opportunities and threats. The overall objective being to effectively bridge the gap between these needs and potential LMS vendors. This approach would enable the organization to make informed decisions based on a thorough analysis of their processes and requirements. The organization faced numerous challenges, beginning with organically grown processes that needed to be addressed with a desire to improve efficiency. Additionally, they had a complex structure with many clients, each requiring customized learning centers. Tracking of which version of the course each learner completed was important in a highly regulated environment. Furthermore, the organization had to manage highly customized courses tailored to the specific needs of different clients. Senior management required detailed reporting and financial analysis, while the client services and sales departments needed better licensing and usage management to support billing. Moreover, manual processes hindered potential business growth and the ability to reach new audiences. These challenges collectively highlighted the need for a robust and flexible LMS to streamline operations and improve the overall efficiency of the organization. To address the organization's challenges, we implemented a thorough and structured process. First, we interviewed key stakeholders by conducting workshops and interviews to gain a better understanding of the current processes and needs. Next, we focused on user story documentation. We started by documenting existing processes in critical areas such as content building, learner enrollment, and client customization. This documentation provided a clearer view of the current state and highlighted areas that required improvement. We also interviewed key client representatives and identified opportunities and needs that the organization was not aware of. Based on this, we were able to create user story documentation that will not only help in identifying the requirements, but can also be a useful tool in the implementation process. Based on the information gathered, we compiled a detailed requirements document. This document was verified by internal teams and clients to ensure accuracy and completeness. This served as a critical tool in defining the organization's specific needs. To further refine our understanding, we conducted a SWOT analysis. This analysis helped us identify the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, providing a strategic perspective on their situation. Finally, we created a standardized document for vendor comparison. This document allowed vendors to provide their submissions in a comparable format, making it easier for the organization to evaluate and select the most suitable LMS vendor. This systematic and thorough approach ensured that all aspects of the organization's needs were addressed and facilitated in an informed decision-making process. My role was to provide clarity and structure to the organizations searching for a suitable LMS. This involved having stakeholders walk us through their existing procedures in content building, customization, and learner enrollment. Recognizing the complexity of their structure, with numerous clients each requiring customized learning centers, we took care in documenting these processes. We identified that the organization faced significant challenges due to manual processes that potentially slowed business growth and the ability to reach new audiences. We documented these as areas where we are seeking efficiency gains with the change of the system. Our final deliverable was a detailed LMS requirements document now used to manage vendor submissions. We developed a detailed requirements document that gave the organization a clear and comprehensive understanding of their needs. The user stories we documented for the client give a comprehensive picture of how internal and external users will utilize the system. These documents became essential tools to facilitate vendor submissions that will be comparable. In addition, insights gained from the client feedback were eye-opening for the organization. The organization discovered improvement opportunities they hadn't previously recognized, and this new awareness enabled them to refine their processes and better meet client expectations. No longer overwhelmed with the information available by vendors, the organization is now well prepared to evaluate LMS vendors and make informed decisions. A new system that meets their needs and satisfies opportunities for improvements will enhance their operational efficiency, support business growth, and improve client satisfaction. After completion of this phase, we were able to invite a number of pre-qualified vendors to submit proposals. By facilitating the submission format, these responses are more easily comparable for organizational fit and costs, leading to vendor demos and clarification discussions, essential in the process of vendor selection and implementation. If your organization is facing similar challenges in selecting an LMS or needs a comprehensive requirements analysis, we can help. Our structured approach ensures that you understand your needs thoroughly and bridges the gap between your requirements and potential vendors. Contact us today to learn how we can assist you in finding the perfect LMS solution tailored to your specific needs.